So this was our second day in Tokyo. We traveled to Azubu University and we gave practice presentations to some of the staff and the students. And then the students actually gave us presentations on a variety of topics. One that I remember is a student giving me a presentation on which pet would be the best for me. And then in this video, these are the cheer boys doing a performance for us. And it was super cool. The drum was a lot louder than I was expecting, and we were actually able to talk to them a little bit about why they decided to join the cheer squad and also how long they had been doing it for. So here we got to be super hands-on and actually dissect parasites out of fish. So these were fish that were bought from a local fisherman that morning. And it was so fascinating to see all the parasites in the fish and how small they really are and how well they blend in. When we did our dissection, we found so many, and we also figured out that they're pretty stubborn to kill as well. And we also learned about how sick you can get from consuming parasites from raw fish and the importance of making sure that you are always preparing raw fish properly. We watched a video of a woman that fell super sick and almost died because of raw sushi that she ate at a restaurant, and we were able to ask a lot of good questions to the lecturer about the
No, they
sickness
do
and the kind of
to
effects that they have on the body.
central nervous system.
So this is Professor
Okay.
Wee, a professor
So
at Azabu
here,
University, and here he is
so
showing us
that
the 5 stages of
the
rabies
rabies
through a
are
mouse demonstration
five
before he
stages.
actually gave us a
And
lecture on
the
rabies and how
then
rabies is
that
different
is
from country to
symptom
country.
coming out. That's we call the prodromal. Then the excitation phase, and then the
So after all of the activities at Azabu University, we took the train back to our dorms, and I just thought this sunset was beautiful. Our next stop was a facility that regulates flood control, and we got to learn about the water flow in the Tokyo area. This was a visual demonstration of just how this facility controls flooding through this really detailed and intricate model. And this really helped me understand just how all of the parts of the facility work together to help regulate the floods.
そ water flow to brush up and going to temporary reservoirs and rectified to the water from.
These monitors show different camera views to help track flooding more efficiently. And then here we have these panels that the workers will go to when they want to open the gates of the underground tunnels to allow the water to flow in, and they only allow the gates to open when the water is sufficient enough to flood the city. Going into the underground tunnels was definitely a highlight of my trip. It was so big and our echoes were so loud. We were just having a lot of fun with it. You could actually see the outline of the water lines, and you can see how tall the water can get and how much these underground tunnels can hold. Next, we went to an incineration plant and learned about how Tokyo handles waste management. Basically, the trucks will collect the trash and bring it to this plant, and it will all accumulate here, and then the trash will eventually get taken to burn.